Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on autoplay animated emoji in chat on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines and click settings. Now click chat settings and now click animations and click animated emoji, and here you will find this autoplay in chat. Click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.